Welcome back to the Daily Short series. Today we'll be discussing the Adaptation Gap Report of 2020, which was recently released. We'll be covering this topic in a very short span of time. Let's begin. The content includes why is it in news, about the report, and about UNEP. Let's understand why is it in news. So, this report, the Adaptation Gap Report, was recently released by UNEP, and this was the 5th edition of the report. It first began, the first report that came was in 2014. UNEP becomes very important from this point of view. Now, coming to what is adaptation. Before we understand the Adaptation Gap Report, it becomes important for us to understand what is adaptation. तो अगर इसको simple terms में समझें, so adaptation, because humans are responsible for bringing a lot of change in the environment. हम हर तरीके से environment को change करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. We are increasing the use of vehicles, increasing pollution. हम urbanization ला रहे हैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा. We are cutting down trees unnecessarily and many other ways. So इन तरीकों से हम इन्वायरमेंट को हर तरीके से नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं, अपने क्लाइमेट को हर तरीके से नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं. एंड ऑल दिस इज डन बाय अस ओनली फॉर आवर नीड्स. सो दिस माइट लुक गुड फॉर अस एंड बेनिफिट अस इन द शॉर्ट रन, बट एक लंबे समय में अगर देखा जाए, एंड इफ यू लुक इन द लॉन्गर रन, इट विल डेफिनेटली हार्म अस नेगेटिवली. सो अगर कहा जाए इन सिंपल टर्म्स में, सो दिस विल बैकफायर ऑन अस. व्हाट इज लुकिंग गुड इन द शॉर्टर टर्म will backfire on us very soon. So लॉन्गर टर्म में तो ये हमें हार्म पहुंचा ही रहा है, बट इवन इन द शॉर्टर टर्म वी कैन सी कि हमें प्रेजेंटली भी प्रॉब्लम्स होनी शुरू हो गई हैं. वी आर हैविंग ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम्स एंड अदर हेल्थ इश्यूज दैट इज बीइंग फेस्ड बाय द पॉपुलेशन अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. ये इन्वायरमेंट चेंज एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज के कारण ही हो रहा है. So this was what is adaptation. Now coming to what is adaptation cost. Now adaptation cost becomes the cost of planning, preparing for and facilitating and implementing the adaptation measures. अगर हमें adaptation measures लेकर आने हैं, so उसके लिए हमें कितना cost लगेगा, that becomes the adaptation cost. And as per the report, the annual cost of adaptation, अगर देखा जाए तो the annual cost of adaptation, COA is cost of adaptation, the annual cost of adaptation to come to the level of the effects and changes that are brought by the climate change, this will have to become 4 times. 4 गुना इसको बढ़ना पड़ेगा by 2050. हम इतनी तेजी से अपने एनवायरनमेंट को नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं दैट एनुअल कॉस्ट ऑफ अडेप्टेशन हैज टू इंक्रीज बाय 4 times. Now if you look here, adaptation is the key pillar of the Paris Agreement. It refers to reducing countries and communities की vulnerability to climate change. हम चाहते हैं कि हम countries and communities की vulnerability को reduce करें by increasing their ability to absorb the impacts and remain resilient. And इसके लिए हमें जो adaptation cost चाहिए, that is increasing tremendously, and that has to increase 4 times by 2050. Now coming to the purpose, what is the purpose of the report? In very simple terms, the report identifies the trends and highlights challenges. Trends बताता है and challenges highlights करता है, associated with measuring the progress towards fulfilling the adaptation finance gap. And it informs the national and international efforts to advance adaptation. हर तरीके से ये बता रहा है that how do we have to advance adaptation. जैसे हमने देखा कि हमें 2050 तक अपने adaptation के levels and expenses कैसे increase करने हैं. The report tells us all about this. Now, from this perspective, UNEP becomes very important. The United Nations Environment Program. It is the leading environmental agency. Leading environmental agency or authority in the UN system, UNEP, United Nations Environment Program, and was founded by the UN General Assembly as a result of the UN Conference on Human Environment or the Stockholm Conference, and its headquarters are in Nairobi, Kenya. अब हम reports की बात कर रहे हैं that we read about the adaptation gap report. So 2 more reports are released by UNEP which are very important. One is the emission gap report. This is very important. The emission gap report. And the second one is the global environment outlook. Global environment outlook. So if you summarize UNEP, founded by, then it is UNGA ने find किया था. It is the leading environmental agency. Stockholm Conference से आया था and the headquarters are in Nairobi, Kenya. The 2 important reports released by it are the emission gap report and the global environment outlook. That's it for today. Thank you.